Hey, this is the 2010 Untied Supreme SU1 or SU2, I forgot which one, but here's a bike check of mine. It's mostly stock other than has a S&M redneck stem and S&M slam bars, the really old ones. Okay, let's start off with the wheel set. Stock, it's a Cinema single-walled rims. And the stock had alloy stem and just a normal 8-inch rise United bars. It's a pivotal seat post with a pivotal seat, Odyssey PC pedals. I don't like them because they have too much grip. I can't move them around in front of midair. It has unsealed front hub, a sealed back hub. It's 19th and 25 in the front. I'm gonna switch it to 28 for more speed. Has linear bike cable brake, I guess. Has United integrated headset. It's full chromoly fork, and the frame is a 20.6 top tube. Stock, this weighs about 25.5 pounds, but I added the super heavy stem from S&M, the redneck one, and the super heavy slam bars from, like, I don't know, a long time ago. Right now my one weighs about 27 pounds. It's really heavy in the front end, but stock it's about 25.5. And yeah, this is my bike check. There's gonna be more upgrades pretty soon. I'm gonna put new stem, new bars, new sprocket, and yeah, new back wheel. Well, this is it for now. This is a great bike. It's around $400 through $500. Yeah, it's a pretty sick bike. I like the seat. It looks sick. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, it's a very solid jumping bike. Yeah. Well, this is it. If you have any questions, comment below or just send me a message.